What's up, everyone? Our final ride of the day. Look at these guys. Hey, buddies. Oh, Deeds. Oh, hi, buddy. Hi, Leo. Our track dogs. Track dogs, track dogs. All right, so final session of the day. Final session of the day. I got to take care of these guys. So we'll be right back. We're going to be out on the R9T, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're heading out on the R9T, and we just came off the track with the 2020 for its final fun ride. Let's call it that. But I really had a good time on the R9T, so we're going to be heading back out on track on the little racer. I really enjoyed this bike, guys. I'm happy. I'm happy with the decision of the change here. I know some of you guys are like, what? If you don't know, I've got a 2015 BMW S1000, so it's not about that. It's just that I couldn't justify that right now. So I got something that I've always enjoyed to look at. I've always enjoyed the racer style. I always enjoyed the boxer motor. I've never owned an R1200 or 1100 up to this 1250. None of it. I've never had a boxer motor from BMW. So yeah, to really like the decision to buy this was so, it was a little spontaneous. I always kind of wanted to ride this. I really always wanted to ride this, and I rode it with I rode it at A&S, and I did a test ride, and I was like, I really like the bike. I really think I'm going to buy this bike. So we do have some modifications coming. We got a new windscreen coming. We got some new exhaust coming. Mark with Two Bros doesn't have anything. Oh yeah, look at the suspension softened up back there. But I've enjoyed this bike today. I hope you guys have seen some of my reviews on it. I've really enjoyed the bike, so it's been a wonderful day. Absolutely wonderful day. I'm not going to curse myself. I don't see it. I was going to tell the dude at the thing, no sticker, no out. Yeah. So that was just a guy wanted to change groups at the end of the day. So yeah, man, it's just this was such a spontaneous decision to do this bike, and I'm happy that I made it. And I really am. Hopefully we can take this thing out on a street ride soon, because I'm comfy on this thing. A lot of people, I've been watching a lot of the reviews and stuff like that, and a lot of people have complained about the position of this, and is where I'm from. It's what I feel, right? So I don't feel, I'm all right with it. I'm honestly really good with this. And so yeah, so I mean, I'm just really good with the decision, and I can't wait to get it on the street. So this is going to be primarily, look, this isn't really going to be a track bike. Let's be honest, right? This is definitely a street bike, right? I've been having a blast today. I've been having an absolute blast on this thing at the track, and will I bring it to the track? Yeah, heck yeah, man. Will I fix the GP shift? Yes, it's got to be fixed. Will I cut the knob off the stand as soon as I get home? So there's a knob that I probably won't ever use to kick the kickstand out, and my toe has been hitting it all day, so just chop that off. But you know, the 4th of July is coming up, so I think we've got some time to do a street ride. I leave next week for some travels, so hopefully I'll be able to get a street ride in this thing. But until then, we get to take this thing on the track. Like, come on. I haven't seen many reviews. Actually, I'm not sure that I've seen any reviews this bike like on the track. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first review. I've been on this for 3 sessions today, and I've just had a blast. I've just had an absolute blast with this bike. So I hope you guys enjoy what we've got content-wise. Getting in a little traffic. See if I can bump past a couple people. So can't go into second here because I already did the slipper clutch, or no, the non-slipper clutch. Hated it. So I'm gonna have to check out if they make a slipper clutch for this, because I think I'll enjoy a slipper clutch a little bit more. But let's see what kind of picture we can get on this thing. I feel all right. It's kind of a whole, now I rode this earlier, and then I rode the MT-09, and the MT-09 was like, wait, what? The thing was moving all around, and Wagner's like, I'm telling you, I want to do suspension on it. It's like, all right, babe, I get it. Let's get some suspension done on that thing, because it's definitely, you know, it's moving around. Steering damper in the front. Probably do some springs, and then we'll do the rear shock. So I think some suspension upgrades are coming for that. I'm just, the day today, I don't have many days like this that I have a smile on my face absolutely all day. And when I come off truck, I'll tell you guys really the real reason why. The real reason why. But I mean, the fact that I'm on 2 brand new bikes, you know, I'm blessed, the business is good. Just everything is just so great. I'll just take it. I'll just take every little bit of everything that I have right now. The channel, you guys are doing great. You guys are supporting me so well. Thank you. See if we can skip by some of these people. So thank you guys for the channel. Sorry, I just want to get past those guys, but the channel, you guys are just lovely, and I thank you guys. I know we're just at the beginning. We're at the beginning of this channel, but I can't thank you guys enough. The support, the positivity, just everything about it. So we've got some, you know, I've mentioned in maybe earlier in this video or the last BMW video, there are some changes coming to Cali Track Days, so we'll make those announcements soon. Big positive changes. Oops. Whew. Gotta get the bike up more. Me and Bogna, we're venturing out on a new venture, which we'll be letting you guys in on. The channel will be very involved in the new, So stay tuned. If you love two wheels, if you love motorcycles, you have to hit that subscribe button, because what we have coming up for the channel, everybody that loves and rides motorcycles, you're going to want to watch this. It's going to be a very, very positive thing for the community. So we hope to be able to make a good effect. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. But I'm going to wrap up this video. I'm exhausted. I got to pack up today. But here's the deal. Here's why I have the biggest smile on my face today. And Barton is like, don't say it. You're going to jinx yourself. But we've got 2 more sessions, so I think we're pretty safe to say. I think everyone's fallen into their spot. We've had 2 crashes today, which is virtually unheard of in the track day industry. To have 2 crashes in a day, one crash was in the very first C group, and it was a stupid, unfortunate up in 5. Everyone crashes in 5, and then we had a crash in turn 2. Just an absolutely amazing day, and I can't. For you guys, our Cali track day customers, thank you. Thank you so much for supporting us. I just hope it continues, and I thank you. I love you guys, and the channel, I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. We're gonna wrap this up and call it a day. I got a trailer to pack up, and Mr. Abbott working with some people. But yeah, I got a trailer to pack up, I got an RV to pack up, I got some dogs to walk, I gotta get some food in me, I gotta hydrate, I got a lot to do. So while I do that, why don't you hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much. Until next video. Until next video. Until next video. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.